SEMA Government Affairs. It's not just another office in D.C. It's a movement. Every meeting, every piece of legislation passed.
It's about celebrating freedom.
Every bad bill killed. These aren't just steps forward.
That is a good thing for us.
They position us for the future.
All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. That's the first line of TV Off, a song by Kendrick Lamar.
From protecting enthusiast rights to advocating for small businesses.
This used to be the site of a racetrack.
And preserving a rich automotive heritage. Our impact is stronger than ever. The SEMA Action Network unites more than 450,000 advocates.
Big win for the automotive aftermarket.
Combined with the power of our SEMA and PRI PAC and driving Force Action SuperPAC.
Send a letter to lawmakers and help fight the war on racing.
We are building a machine of unstoppable influence on Capitol Hill and nationwide.
But there just needs to be more awareness.
So it's really important that we're here.
SEMA Government Affairs is more than a voice in D.C. It's a driving force for the future of the automotive aftermarket.